AS Khanvilkar wants to know your view on the future of
Mirae Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund.
as investment in it is now restricted to not more than 2,500 rupees.
Well, Mirae Asset Emerging Equities Fund happens to be among the better large and mid cap funds. It has been among the most consistent performers in its category. And going by the track record of the equity franchise or the investment management team at Mirae, one would hope and one would expect that the fund continues to rank among the better ones and continues with the consistent long-term performance record that it has been able to build. Now, of course, as he rightly pointed out, the fund has restricted fresh inflows to not more than 2,500 per month, from an investor. And the fund has done that in the interest of existing investors because this fund invests substantially in mid-cap stocks. And the fund already has a very healthy SIP book build up. So the fund wants to have a greater control on incremental inflows that the fund receives from here on, because the investment management team is of the view that if they continue to receive substantial proportions of incremental inflows, then they may not be able to deploy them speedily enough, given the already big size of the fund. And if they are not able to deploy that money speedily, then that could be to the detriment of the interests of the existing investors, as it could hurt the performance. So that's why they have taken that call to restrict the incremental inflows in the fund. Now, of course, that may put this fund out of contention for certain investors who invest a sizable amount every month through SIPs, because by investing even to the maximum of 2,500 per month in this fund, it may end up being a very small allocation and may not contribute much to the overall returns. So for those kind of investors, this fund may be out of contention for now. But otherwise, the fund continues to be among the best ones that are available in the mid and large cap category.